Very good morning, my dear students. All of you on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. Welcome back to mathematics class. Okay. In last class we discussed about convert the units. Okay, changing of units. In today's class I am going to explain unit wise, means length, mass, capacity, how to add these topics. Now I am going to explain, children. Okay, that is exercise 8.3. Take out the textbook. That is page number 117. In page number 117, do the following additions. First one. What is first one? 6 kg, 320 grams. 6 kg, 320 grams. Next. And 2 kg, 640 grams. Add these numbers. Kilograms and grams. First 6 kg 320 grams. First write. Next, here how many kgs are given? 2 kgs. So kgs place wise we have to write here 2 kgs. And grams are 640 given. Write 640 grams. Now add these one. Add these one. Okay, first grams. Very good. 8 kg, 960 grams are correct only. Very good, Vignesh. First add the grams. 0 plus 0, 0. Next 2 plus 4 is 6. Next 3 plus 6 is 9. Next 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 kgs, 960 grams. Okay, 8 kg, 960 grams. Next, one more. Three grams, 450 milligrams. 4 grams, 350 milligrams. Grams, kilograms and milligrams. Unit for mass. Standard unit for mass is grams. Higher unit is kilograms and lower unit is milligrams. Okay. 4 grams, 350 milligrams and 6 grams, 240 milligrams. Grams wise grams write down, milligrams wise milligrams write down. First grams. 4 grams, 350 milligrams. And next 6 grams. Right here. Okay, grams plus grams. Next milligrams plus milligrams. So how many milligrams given in second number? We have to write here. Next, that is 6 grams, 240 milligrams. Add the numbers. First, add the milligrams. 350 plus 240. What is the sum of 350 and 240? 590. And grams, 4 plus 6, 10. Very good. 10 grams, 590 milligrams is answer. 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Next 5 plus 4 is 9. Next 3 plus 2 is 5. Next 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 grams, 590 milligrams. Okay? Did you understand, Amma? Simply we have to do here addition only. Okay? You know very well addition. How can we solve addition problems? Same in this one also. What is not clear? Clear only. Just here white is there. Nothing will happen. You observe carefully and write, children. Okay? Textbook in textbook question is there. Problem is there. How to solve, you know? Do you know addition? I think you know very well addition. What is the problem here? Code is clear, Amma. Before here black color is there. Now here green color. But here white some days after it will come easily visible to you. Okay? So don't worry. Next, third one. Third one is 7 meters 20 centimeters. 7 meters 20 centimeters. Next, 4 meters 55 centimeters. Next one more, fourth one. 6 liters 320 milliliters. 320 milliliters and 4 liters 250 milliliters. Say children, here different units are there here. First in this one about mass, kilograms and grams. Next here also about mass only, unit of mass, grams and milligrams. Okay. Next here meters and centimeters, that is unit of length. Okay. Length, how can we add? Given length, how can we add? Given weight, how can we add? Next, given capacity, how can we add? Here we are discussing, children. Okay. Now, 7 meters 20 centimeters and 4 meters 55 centimeters. First add the centimeters. Add the centimeters. Yes, very good. 11 meters 75 centimeters. 55 centimeters plus 20 centimeters. What is the sum of 55 and 20? 75. So write 75. Or add in this way also. First 0 plus 5 is 5. Next 2 plus 5 is 7. Next 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 meters 75 centimeters. Okay? Did you understand, Amma? How can we add length, given length and given weight and given capacity? Okay, next here 6 liters 320 milliliters. Next 4 liters. 4 liters 250 milliliters. Now first add the milliliters. Okay, add the milliliters first. 0 plus 0 is sum of 0 and 0. 0 only, right? 0. Next 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Next 3 plus 2 is 5. Next 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 liters 570 milliliters. Okay? Liters and milliliters and kiloliters, these are units of capacity, and kilograms and grams and milligrams, these are unit of mass, that is weight. Next meters and centimeters and kilometers, these are unit of length. Okay, in this one greater units are there and smaller units are there. Milligrams, decigrams, centigram. These are smaller units. Next, kilograms, hectagram, decagram. These are higher units, means greater units. Next, in meters and centimeters, that is in length. Meters, meters is standard unit of length. Centimeters and decimeter and millimeter is smaller units. Next, decameters, hectometer, next kilometer is, these are higher units, means greater units. Okay, next as it is in capacity also. Milliliters, centiliter and deciliter, these are smaller units of capacity, and standard unit of capacity is liter. Next, hectoliter, decaliter and kiloliter is greater units of capacity. Okay, this one in table also given, that is very very important. Learn children. Okay, next these one also. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligrams. Next 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Next 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. This one also very important. Next from milliliters to smaller units, from smaller unit to greater unit. When we change into from smaller unit to greater unit, we have to do divided by number. From greater unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply of the number. In yesterday's class, how can we change the units? In that one, we discussed that. What? Where is it? Okay, write down. Did you understand, Amma? Addition. Okay, right children. Did you complete these 4 problems? Shall I erase? Okay, I hope you completed. Okay, next the 5th one. Here, 5th one, 3 numbers given. Okay, not 2 numbers, we are given 3 numbers. Four meters, 35 centimeters. Next, 7 meters, 60 centimeters. Next one. And 9 meters, 45 centimeters. We are given 3 steps numbers, 3 rows. Okay. Same. How many numbers given also? We can do easily addition. Okay. Write as it is columns wise. First of all, we have to write as columns wise. First of all, centimeters wise centimeters, and given meters wise meters. Write and add the numbers. Okay. Go Vandana, Varshita. Do you have doubt? Okay, first 4 meters, 35 centimeters. Next 7 meters, 60 centimeters. Next 9 meters, 45 centimeters. Okay. Add the first centimeters. 35 centimeters, 60 centimeters and 45 centimeters. First add the centimeters. 5 plus 0 plus 5. What is the sum of 5, 0 and 5? 5 plus 5. What is the answer? Yes, very good. 10. 10 is carrying number. So I have to take carrying 1 next number on the next number and 0 writing answer. Next, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Very good, Manisha. 14. 14 also carrying numbers. No? Take carrying, right? Write the answer. That is 14 is 2-digit number. Okay, 10th number. That is 2-digit number. Then how can we write? First, 1 take carrying on the next number. Okay, on the next number, carrying number, right? Next write in answer. Next number write in answer. Next 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 9 is yes 21. Sama said 25 cent. 25 is wrong answer. 21 is correct answer. 21. Right? 21. Now 21 meters. 40 centimeters. Okay, 21 meters and 40 centimeters is answer. Okay, next. Okay, next, 6th one. That is, what is 6th one? 7 kilometers, 9 meters. See, children, 7 kilometers, 9 meters. And 4 kilometers, 340 meters. 340 meters. Next, 6 kilometers, 806 meters. And 8 kilometers. Sorry, 6 kilometers, 806. Okay, these are given here. Now, how can we write in order wise, in kilometers and meter wise? How can we write here? Once you observe carefully, children, here some are different is there. Once you observe here, because here 7 kilometers, 9 meters only given. Here meters is 3-digit number, but meters here given only 1-digit number only. 9 meters only given. But next numbers, once you observe kilometers and meters, next number 340 meters are there, and next number 806 meters are there. Here 3-digit number and 3-digit number is there. But in first number only 9 meters only have. So what we do? That is, you have to change into 3-digit number. How can we change into 3-digit number? 9 meters equal to 009 we can write. Okay. See here, 7 kilometers, 009 meters. No, that is wrong. 900 is wrong. 009 is nothing but 9 only. Okay, 9 equal to 900. Is it equal? 9 is equal to 900. No, 9 is different, 900 is different. But 009 equals 9. So that's why we write like this. Next, 4 kilometers, 340 meters. Next, 6 kilometers, 806 meters. And the meters. 9 plus 0 plus 6. What is the answer? 9 plus 0 plus 6. What is the sum of 906? 9 plus 0 is 9. Next, 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. Vignesh. Wrong. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 carry, write 5 here. Next, 4 plus 1 is 5. Next, 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 0 is nothing but 11 only. Okay. Next, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Now what is the answer? 18 kilometers, 155 meters. Okay. Next, remaining in this bit 10 problems are there. I explained 6 problems. Remaining 4 problems, that is homework for you. Okay, remaining 4 problems. Try to your own and complete in your running notes and send me pic. Everyone, you must complete what I am giving homework. Amma. Did you understand, children? How can we solve addition? And what is the homework also? Did you understand? If you have any doubt, ask me. Raise your hand on your mobile. Anybody? Do you have doubt or not, first of all? Your textbook, page number 117, do the following additions, exercise 8.3, 6 problems completed. Remaining 4 problems are there. The 4 problems complete your own. In tomorrow class, I will explain but problems on addition. Okay, but problems, exercise 8.4, but problems on addition. Write down. All of you on your videos. Revant Reddy. Did you understand, boy? Revant Reddy? Okay. Lakshmi Sahasra? Sorry. Svecha Pravasi? Did you understand? Svecha. Srishant. Srishant. Okay. Ayan. On your video, boy. Don't hide your videos. On your video. Hamsini. Ailapuram Varun. Chennoju Manichandana. Satvik. Vignesh. Venu Yadav. M. Harini. Rikshita. Do you have doubt? Rikshita, on your video. Did you understand, girl? Okay. Rahman, understand. I am on your video, boy. Here I am taking attendance, boy. First on your video. Gogu Vandana Varshita. Hamsini. Gangapuram Komali. Did you understand, Amma? Can you complete remaining problems? Okay. Okay, complete, Amma. 5th one and 6th one complete. Write in your notebook and remaining problems try to your own and send me pic. Those are today those we will send. In tomorrow class I will say the names. Okay. Those who are completed worksheet, come to school and write your exam, Amma. Okay, children. Okay, student. I hope you understand this in today's class. Okay, in tomorrow class I will explain but problems on addition. Okay, now I am going to conclude this class. Okay, thank you everyone.